Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Aero Estate by the house of Abhinandan Lodha located in Khopoli. And as you can see, we are at the business meet of the project, and in this teaser we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, plot sizes, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing sites where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 50 acres that will have multiple plot sizes for you. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located on Khopoli Magica Road, from where Mumbai-Pune Express Highway is at a distance of 8 minutes, New Mumbai-Pune Link Road is at a distance of 10 minutes, Navi Mumbai International Airport is at a distance of 40 minutes drive, and you have Imagica only at a distance of 5 minutes from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, garden, kids play area, indoor games and everything that you can imagine, everything that speaks luxury will be in the project. And now talking about the plot sizes available, this project has variation in plot sizes. Starting from first is of 1065 square feet, second is of 1260 square feet, third is of 1506 square feet, fourth is of 1775 square feet, and last but not the least, it also has a 2260 square feet of plot size available. And now talking about some of the USP of the projects, here you will get Sadbara in your name, which means the ownership of the land will be transferred to you. Unlike other plotted projects where they usually don't do it as the lands are in government lease. Also, the project has a natural waterfall within the vicinity and a special official hospitality partner. And now talking about the booking process, as you can see, the clients are already incoming and they are booking their plots, so you also don't miss your chance and book yours. And talking about the booking process, the booking windows are open. We can arrange a Zoom call for you, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 99,000 for all the plot sizes available. This token comes with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts. EOI holders will be given preference over and above others. Second, preference in plot selection, which means EOI holders will have the option to select their preferable plot, and 100% refundable, which means if the client doesn't want to proceed for any reason, the token will be 100% refundable without any deduction. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Aero Estate by the house of Abhinandan Lodha located in Khopoli.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.